Hi and hello. Welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. My name is Christopher Beverly, and today we're in wonderful Sanford, Florida. This property that we're at today is priced at $950,000. It's built in 2020. It's located in Sanford, Florida. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square feet with a 3-car garage. Let's go check it out. Hi, hello. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I want to introduce myself for those that didn't know me. I'm a real estate agent here in Florida. My passion is luxury real estate, but I do sell all types of homes, condos, townhomes, Airbnb properties. So if you're looking to make a purchase here in Florida, I would love to be your go-to realtor. Feel free to contact me, as all of my information is in the description below. Also have an Instagram channel as well if you'd like to follow that. I post these house tours very frequently, so I appreciate if you can like this video, subscribe, and also leave a comment on how I can make my videos even better. I'll see you on the next tour, and have a great day.